Hi friends, how are you? Last week we talked about a kid, Robin, who had a great imagination and he used it with his room. This week we're going to talk about a bird and his fantastic house. Are you ready? This is called A Home for Bird by Stead. Vernon was out foraging for interesting things when he found Bird. "Are you okay?" asked Vernon. Bird said nothing. "Are you lost?" Bird said nothing. "You are welcome to join me," said Vernon. Vernon introduced Bird to his friends. "Bird," said Vernon, "meet Skunk and Porcupine." Bird said nothing. "Bird is shy," said Vernon, "but also a very good listener." Looks like Skunk and Porcupine were having fun with a yo-yo. Vernon showed Bird the river and the forest. He took Bird foraging and cloud watching too. Bird said nothing. "I am worried that Bird is not happy," said Vernon. "Perhaps he is lost," said Skunk. "Maybe he misses home," said Porcupine. So Vernon prepared for a journey to help Bird find his home. He readied a boat, found an oar, said goodbye to old friends. I love that his boat is a teacup and his oar is a spoon. Saying goodbye. Very important step. And together with Bird, followed the river into the great unknown. Can you see his hat? It's a bottle cap. Vernon showed Bird many different places to live. "Is this your home?" he asked Bird. "What is this?" "It's a birdhouse." "It's a bird cage." "This is a birdhouse." "How about here?" Here? What about that? That's a mailbox. Vernon sighed. Bird will speak up when we find the right home. But no matter how many places they tried, Bird said nothing. And Vernon was sad. "Hey, that's a nest. I think birds do live in nests." But Vernon was a determined friend. That's a good friend to have. And with a little help, he and Bird followed the wind. "I hope this is a good idea," said Vernon. Bird said nothing. Bird is very brave, thought Vernon. I think Vernon's pretty brave too. Very supportive. Having traveled a long way, the two friends came to rest. "Hello," said Vernon to a kind stranger. "I think we are lost." I think he's talking to the weather vane, which is right up here, and it looks like a rooster. The stranger pointed the way to a house a little farther down the road. The weather vane has an arrow on it, and this weather vane looks like a rooster. Some weather vanes look like whales or other unusual pictures, but this one looks like a rooster. "I am so tired," said Vernon. Bird said nothing. Bird is tired too, thought Vernon. Maybe we'll stop for the night. So they're going to stop at this blue house. Looks like they climbed. Oh, they see something inside that blue house. What's this? Let's see. Together, Vernon and Bird slid down the curtain, introduced themselves to new friends. Oh, looks like a dog and a teddy bear, and climbed up, up, up to the little house on the wall. Remember, they saw a little house right here. A little house inside the blue house. This home is in need of repair, thought Vernon, but carefully placing the door back on its hinges. I hope Bird doesn't mind. He put Bird to bed upstairs, put himself to bed downstairs, and fell asleep to a gentle sound. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Hey, what's that sound? It's the sound of a clock. Vernon awoke with the morning light. He liked the house and the cheerful sound it made. I wonder if Bird likes it too, thought Vernon. And Bird said, cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. And Vernon was happy. So friends, this is a cuckoo clock. And this bird is a part of the clock. How fun is that? So guys, I don't have any cuckoo clocks in my house, but I have 9, count them, 9 nests. How funny is that? So we're gonna go on a little scavenger hunt or a little find and see. How cool. Are you ready? Let's go. Is there a nest in here? No, but there are lots and lots of birds. I wonder if any of them feel lonely without a home. I'm going to see if there's any nests up here. Nope, but I found a bird. Is there any nests over here? Look! I spy with my little eye a bird and a nest. It's going to get a little bit trickier. Do you see one now? And look, there's even an egg. All right, let's see. Now this one is going to be for you guys. Let's see. I spy with my little eye 4 nests. Can you find them? I'm going to give you a thinking minute to find them. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. And can you find the 4th one? There it is. It was hiding. All right, let's see. So let's count. We found 2 by the jade plant and 4 over by the tree. 4 plus 2 is 6. Let's see if there are any more. I spy another one. Cool. I think there's only 2 more. There's another one. Hey, and there's some feathers to boot. All right, we're gonna have, for the last one, we're gonna have to go all the way over and look all the way up. Ta-da! Okay, friends, thanks for going on an I Spy with me. That was pretty fun.